guys, so my mum went on holiday a couple of weeks ago and she bought me this Arrow helicopter thing, and we're going to try it out at the park, so see you at the park. Bye.
Otherwise you can. You want to try catching? Yeah. Right. Straight to you. Ready?
Hi guys, so it's a bit windy, so we're going to try it at night, and there's a light on it, so we're going to light it up, so see you when it's dark. Bye! Hi guys, so it is like 10 o'clock at night, and we're at the park, and yeah, we're going to start going. Really?
Right, ready to go, ready? Oh, that was a good one.
Hi guys, so we've come back now because my mum kind of broke it. My mum's gonna get another one off eBay, and yeah, so yeah, unfortunately it didn't go the best, but the light still kind of works. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want one of these. You can get them off of eBay. And yeah, bye.